Increasing amounts of simultaneous users and massive growth in data mean more and more stress on all levels of information technology. Continuous availability of services and fast response times are key to the Internet experience. To meet the demands of the future and to ensure that all our services run smoothly, we have initiated work to enhance some of our data centers. At the same time, we asked ourselves, why not do something for the planet as well? Our existing data center facilities were running out of power and cooling capacity, and their energy usage was not optimal. That's why we invested heavily into enhancing their energy efficiency. It was also a step in maintaining Nokia's top position in the ranking of greenest electronic manufacturers maintained by Greenpeace. In order to achieve superb service quality, computing power must meet certain service requirements. In our new design, we can pack 4 times more computing capacity into one rack than before, which is more than enough to meet today's requirements. However, more servers mean higher temperatures in the data center, which is why the geographical location of the centers should be carefully considered. We came up with Finland. In both hot and cold aisle designs, the servers produce heat, which usually raises the temperature of the whole data center. In our new model, the hot air is isolated and much more efficiently controlled, and this dramatically lowers the cost of cooling. Cold air is produced using cold water. Due to the climate in Finland, free cooling is available 60 to 80% of the year. With the excess heat from the servers, we can heat other facilities. Cool air is produced where it's needed, in the rack lines. The new racks are intelligent and only the necessary amount of cooling is carried out. Even highly optimized data center technology needs a certain level of maintenance to keep the systems running 24 hours a day, every day of the year. This is why everything exists at least in duplicate. Replicated systems, uninterruptible power systems, backup cooling systems, everything has been thought of. In the case of a power outage, most data centers are powered by an arsenal of batteries. In our new model, there are no batteries, which means no disposal of spent acids or lead. We can maintain normal operation by using a flywheel generator, which gives us enough time to start up a diesel generator that will run until the power outage is fixed. This is a more sustainable way to use energy and reduces the amount of waste. All these actions are steps towards a power usage effectiveness factor of 1.2, which means that for every watt of energy going into the IT equipment, we only need 0.2 watts of excess for maintaining the infrastructure of the data center, including cooling and lighting systems. In other designs, the excess can be up to 1.4. In other words, our design will produce up to 7 times less excess energy. All this means that you can make the most of every moment of your life and contribute to a better environment while doing so.